everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm seriously so excited to be bringing you guys along with me for an Etsy studio vlog. A lot of you guys have found me from my bracelet videos, which seriously means the world to me, and I love making these videos for you guys. So if you're new to my channel and haven't checked them out, I will insert a card, but you should also definitely hit that subscribe button down below. I'm doing daily videos for the month of July. It's been so much fun so far, and I would love to have you guys get notified when my videos go up and everything. We are currently in my little crafting area where I do all my Etsy orders. We have two really big Etsy orders to pack up and make, so I'm really excited to share with you guys that process, and then we're gonna make some really fun bracelets. It's just like a chill day. It's a little chilly in my house, but it's like 93 degrees outside, so very grateful for the air conditioning right now, and I'm just enjoying it. But I'll show you guys what I'm wearing real quick. This is just what I'm wearing. I'm kind of just chilling at my house right now. I have this super cute monogram cropped hoodie that is from Saltwater Prep. I'll have it linked down below in case you guys want to check it out. I have on one of my favorite athleisure dresses, so cute, and then I just have on some sneakers, some Amazon packages over here, but I am thinking of putting a claw clip in my hair just so I can get my work done, and then I need to clean up my workspace a little bit before we get started. I went to McDonald's and got a Diet Coke before starting this just so I am ready to go. So we're gonna get this organized real quick. I'm so new to the claw clips, but I feel like they're so nice because they like don't cinch your hair up or anything. So I'm just gonna like twisty twist. There we go. I think that's cute, practical. We're gonna go with it. I'm just gonna get my workspace all set up. Alright, so I got the orders that I need to make all ready to go. So I'm going to get ready and start clearing my desk. I don't need this plugged in right now. I put my AirPods in and I'm listening to Spotify, which is always the best way to do this. But I'm also want to make sure we get the cute little behind the scenes sounds for you guys. So I'm just going to move my laptop over. There we go. And I organized all my beads, which we have a lot of bead orders to get out today. So these two colors are listed right now. I still need to create a little profile, but I have all these new colors and I have a ton of letters. So we're gonna get all the names out for today's video. Alright you guys, so I just finished making the bracelets that got ordered. I'm waiting on the Etsy buyer to get back to me because I am out of the color that she ordered, which I feel horrible. Like, look, it's literally the only color I don't have, so I'm like, oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. But hopefully she gets back to us so I can finish this order up. But I have 2 big orders. I have some of the stuff back there, but I also have to sew this super cute lily scrunchie, so that is next on our to-do list. I'm seriously so grateful. I'm so excited to show you guys the new packaging. It's gonna be so much fun because I feel like I shared so much of it in this vlog, my Etsy like unboxing and stuff. Like, share with you guys how I use it and everything. I just made some bracelets. I really want to do like another bracelet video too, just to get my summer line in, but we're gonna get this stuff done first. So we're gonna break out the sewing machine. I just finished sewing the scrunchie. I think this one might be my all-time new fave. It's so cute. I love the lily scrunchies, and this one's like all pink. Let me check what this order had on it. I'm just so grateful for you guys shopping my Etsy. It's linked down below, but thank you so much. So I have an order of the 3 bracelets, which I'm waiting to hear back from Maddie, and then Caitlin ordered this scrunchie. Let me go show you guys what else she ordered because it's so cute. So she ordered this lily scrunchie that's pink. She ordered this blue lily scrunchie. I love this one. I've been wearing one of these recently and absolutely adore it. Then she ordered my favorite Lily Pulitzer face mask. This is so cute. And then she also ordered the Caitlin bracelet. Make sure I spelled that right. I also ordered my sticker pack, which these are so fun. I handmade every single one of these, which is so cool. Those are listed on my Etsy, but I'm hoping to get some more stickers made very soon. Gotta trim this one a little bit. It's got some like uncut paper on it. There we go. So I'm gonna pack these up. I'm gonna show you guys because I think both of these orders are gonna go into a bubble mailer, which I showed you guys in my last vlog. They're so cute. I keep all my packaging supplies in here, but I picked up these pink bubble mailers off Amazon. Completely obsessed with them. And then I'm gonna put some tissue paper in here as well, and my little thank you stickers. Hey you guys, since I am currently just waiting on Maddie's response, which I totally understand, it is a holiday weekend and everyone is so busy, no stress. I am going to be finishing off her order, but her first two bracelets are so cute when she gets back to me. But I'm going to be ending this little Etsy studio vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I seriously love my new like Amazon Rollo printer. It is a game changer in the bubble mailers and everything. And just a huge shout out to Maddie and Caitlin for these massive orders. These are my biggest orders I've had in a long time and I'm just so beyond grateful. But I'm honestly so grateful for every single order, but I wanted to give them a little shout out because it seriously made me so happy to see what they picked out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love to know in the comments down below if you guys liked all the like sound effects and everything. I love watching studio vlogs that you could hear all the little details. So let me know in the comments down below. I do read and respond back to every single comment and I love being able to chit chat with you guys. I hope you're having an amazing day and I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow with my next daily video. Bye guys!